When you visit an Arizona Tile for your slab selection, you will be greeted by one of our showroom consultants who will answer any questions you have and escort you to the slab sign-in area. Once you are signed in, your slab representative will introduce themselves and let you know that they are having your slabs placed on the selection wall to view before making any final decisions. During the slab selection, your safety is our primary concern. Please refrain from attempting to move any slabs and do not approach any slabs that are being moved or handled. Your slab sales representative will personally confirm that the slabs you have chosen are ready for viewing before escorting you to the slab warehouse. Once the slab is ready for viewing, your representative will take you to the warehouse where you can inspect your material personally for any movement or inclusions that you may or may not desire for your installation. While viewing your material, be sure to ask any questions you may have. Our representatives are very knowledgeable in regards to veining, country of origin, and the type of minerals that compose our stone. When you have finalized your selection, the associate will guide you to the slab sales department, in which they will review your experience and the materials you have chosen. The associate will then walk you through the process and information to securing your materials and provide you with the necessary documents to have the slab set aside and await pickup from the installer. When the documentation is finalized, the sales associate will mark your slabs as sold and hold them for pickup.